Hey, welcome back. Who wants the best deal of 2022 so far? I certainly just got it. The new Dewalt Powerstack batteries just came out. They were showing them at trade shows, and I watched a few videos from Master Mayhem and also VCG Construction. They claim 50% more power, which we'll do some reviews later after I actually use these in the real world. I do rental properties and flip houses. That's actually where I'm at right now. And I was going to get those batteries just because I use like 2 amp hour for my nail guns and stuff. I'm like, yeah, these are even lighter too. It says 25% lighter. I'm like, yeah, I'll give it a try, see what happens. So I'm searching Home Depot and I type in Powerstack and this pops up. And I'm like, oh, that's interesting. So just to give you some reference here, a single Powerstack battery is 120, I think it's like 125 or something, and two of them is 179. Now, if you buy a battery with a charger, it's 150. So right off the bat, you get 2 batteries with this and a charger. So like, just give you a rough ballpark on retail, that's like 270. And this kit, here's the best part. Like, it almost feels like you're stealing it. It is $229. Yeah, you're probably thinking like, dang, that's a real good deal. So $229 for all this. So you get 2 batteries, the charger. Now it gets even better. I just bought this drill like a few weeks ago. I took it back. It was on sale for $150, and it's their newest impact. It is the DCF 850, and they claim 29% shorter. I need it I use my impact constantly on houses. Whenever I get in tight spots or in between rafters, joists, or whatever, once you add your bits on it, it gets a little bit tight in there. That way I can maneuver a little bit easier. So you just got the newest impact. A lot of times when you get these kits, they're giving you the one from like 3 years ago they just want to get rid of. And then here's the other cool part. I'm looking at this. So let me get you the item number. DCD709. So you get the hammer drill. Like hammer drills, if I look this up, $150 again. Now these are the atomic ones, which are a little bit smaller, but they have just as much power. So you're getting like, it claims 570. Yeah, full retail is 570. It's not like, you know how you always see this on here, they're like, oh, it's $4,000. You know, they're trying to hype you up to buy the kit. It's actually 570. Like legit 570. You said 270 there and 300 for full retail on those. Yeah, 570. So I'm looking at this, I'm like, man, this is the deal. So I typed it in and it showed my store had them. Could not find them. I looked everywhere. I thought they'd have like a special promo or, whatnot, like end cap. And I go find an associate. And I'm like, can you find this for me? It shows there's like 4 or 5 here, whatever it was. And he types it in. He's like, man, this doesn't even show like there's anywhere in the store. So he looked at another computer. Here, they're in some bulk overhead, 4 aisles away from any power tools. And they're on the top tier behind other boxes. It's almost like they got these like way in advance and they had no plans of even putting them out. He said usually in his computer, it'll give you an idea like where it's going to be located and nothing. So like, this is the deal of the year. And like I said, it's $229. That's basically like buying 2 batteries and then you get all these tools free. Like, you cannot beat that. So the other cool thing, being like, this is what I do for a living. I do rental properties, flip houses, odd jobs, whatever. If you are a Home Depot Pro Extra member, they always send out those $20 coupons if you spend like $200. So I just use that. So I just got this for $209, and I'm just truly amazed at like how good of a kit this is for how low of a price. And just wanted to show this off here. I'm going to be having a lot more videos coming up, so please hit subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that bell notification. If I found a great deal like this is an extraordinary deal, not just a great deal. Like, especially with new products, you don't want to miss out on this. I don't know how long this promo is going to be going on, but like I said, go to homedepot.com or use their app on your phone. Type in that number. Like I said, it's a DCK254E2, which I'll put a put it down below. I'll put a link below or whatever so you can find it. Get out there and get this. You got all the newest stuff, the new batteries, the new drills, everything. So I was pretty pumped on that. Probably said that like 4 times, but I never get deals like this where you save like an astronomical amount of money. So definitely happy with that. So thanks again everybody for watching. I have a lot of videos recorded. I just haven't had time to really sit down and edit everything. This one I'm going to do right away, just so you have an opportunity to get this, especially if you're going out and buying these Powerstack batteries, like $120. Hey, spend an extra $100. You get another battery and all this kit with it. So thanks for watching everybody. We're going to see you soon. Have a great day.